Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all to my channel. We are seeing the series of videos under the heads Do's and Don'ts in purchasing and selling the property. So far, we have seen about 6 videos under covering 6 specific aspects in purchasing and selling the property. Now, we are going to see the 7th important aspect, and let us see the seventh important aspect in purchasing and selling the property. Today's topic is approved land and unapproved land. What is meant by approved land and what is meant by unapproved land? What are the risks in purchasing unapproved land? Whether we can purchase unapproved land or not? If you purchase the unapproved land, what are the consequences we will have to face in future? In spite of that, if you are going to purchase the unapproved land under any circumstances, what are the safety measures you have to take to safeguard your property are all discussed in this video. So what is meant by approved land? So whenever there's a land is there, they will the property developers will make a layout and they will make it as a flat, residential flat, commercial flat or industrial flat, and they will submit all the documents to the government authorities, say CMDA in as far as Chennai is concerned, or DTCP, the Directorate of Town and Country Planning Department in all other places other than the Chennai, and they will get an approval. So once the approval is given, such type of land is called as approved layout, approved plat. See, the approved plat, the plat developers will donate the road areas to the government and it will become a public property. So once you purchase that approved land, tomorrow the government has already collect before giving the layout approval, the government will collect development charges from the property developer. So automatically they will lay out roads, they will put drainage or electricity and other water connection, etc. So once you purchase approved land, you will definitely get all these amenities without any difficulties. In addition to that, if you go for a construction of a building, if you approach, when you approach the concerned building planning authorities to get a approval for your building, you can easily get the building approval. On the other hand, if if it is the land is not an unapproved land, then that in that case, getting the planning permission and planning permission will be a difficult job. So regarding the unapproved lands are the lands which is made by which is sold without obtaining any proper planning approval or layout approval from the government authorities. So as far as the unapproved land is concerned, if you purchase the unapproved land, there are a lot of risks. So as far as the property developers are concerned, when they sell the property in an approved manner, they make 2 or 3 sketches. The same land is sold for 2 persons or 3 persons. There are double sell it, triple sell it in unapproved lands. So they from the left to right, they will in one layout, one drawing, they will put at one from left to right 1, 2, 3 like that. In another drawing, they will make out different numbers, different layouts, different sketches, and they will sell the same land will be sold for 2 or 3 persons. In such circumstances, 2 or 3 persons will claim ownership over the same land, and there will be a lot of dispute, lot of cases in unapproved lands. So these are all the risks which are available in the unapproved land. So in addition to that, if you go for a purchase, construction of the building, or if you go for a development, it will take a long time to get the necessary amenities like water, electricity or drainage, etc. to the particular plants. So building approval is also a difficult job. And if you are going for a loan, definitely it will be very difficult to get any loan for your construction of building in the unapproved land. These are all the difficulties, consequences which you will have to encounter in purchasing the unapproved land. But the thing is that if you go for, as far as the sale price is concerned, the unapproved land you can get it, purchase it at a cheap price. So many of the people who do not have sufficient money to purchase approved land, they go and purchase unapproved land because of its cheap rate or nominal price. So if you are going to purchase unapproved land because of your inability to purchase approved land, or because of your financial inability. So my advice is that if you are going to purchase an unapproved land, then immediately put a compound wall or put a fencing, and also obtain necessary patta to your land, and if it is more possible, put a construction over the building, so that you can safeguard your property, and you can also avoid the double documentation or the selling of the same property to another person. Assuming for a moment, if you purchase an unapproved land and put up immediately, if you put up compound wall and put up a house there, and you occupy the property, then it may not be possible to the developer to sell the same land to another person. So in that way, you can safeguard your interest. So these are all the differences between approved land and unapproved land, and these are all the consequences between the approved land and unapproved land. So whenever, if you are, my advice is that it is always better to purchase approved land. In case if you are going to purchase unapproved land because of your financial inability or because of the low price, then you please safeguard these measures to protect your interests and also to protect your property. So with this video, I hope this video will be useful to the purchasers who are going to purchase the land. And regarding the legal aspects, if you have any doubts, you can watch my channels. Razyak LawTube is an English channel. Razyak Sattam Ariyum is a Tamil channel. In addition to that, we have also a website known as Google Sites, Ali Associate Chennai. There also you can see my videos. There are a lot of playlists, lot of videos. So whenever you have a doubt, you can click in my channels or website, and you can see the playlist, and you can select the videos, and you can watch my video and clear all your doubts around, and you can get your legal knowledge. In addition to that, if you have any specific doubts, you may also contact the cell number. If time so permits, I will give you necessary legal advice or consultation depending upon my available time. And with this video, I will come again with another video with another topic. Until then, goodbye. Razia Gali.